Number 4 is official Creality Ender Neo 3D printer. 3D printing has revolutionized the world of DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals. For gun enthusiasts, finding the right 3D printer is crucial. So the official Creality Ender 3V2 Neo is the perfect 3D printer for anyone who can quickly and precisely create gun models. The Ender 3V2 Neo has an accurate and reliable CR touch that ensures precision, stability, and reduced costs, making bed leveling a breeze. Its upgrade metal Bowden extruder provides more extrusion force, making it more durable than its plastic counterparts. What sets this model apart is its innovative printing platform. Unlike other models, it features a removable PC spring steel platform that combines a PC coating, a spring steel sheet, and a magnetic sticker for easy print removal. It's also easy to install in 3 simple steps, avoiding installation errors. The Ender 3V2 Neo comes with after-sales technical support that provides detailed solutions 24/7. With its advanced features and reliability, this 3D printer is a must-have for gun enthusiasts. Choose the official Creality Ender 3V2 Neo for hassle-free, high-quality 3D printing of your gun models. If you are interested in the incredible 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.